If you're serious about changing your life, I'm about to make it as easy as it gets. I'm giving you 5 ways you can start making $10,000 plus per month. No upfront money needed, and yes, you can do it all from your own home. First things first, if you're tired of working your 9 to 5 grind, unemployed, or just hungry for a better life, I've got you with a lot of different videos here on my channel to help you out. If you want to collaborate, find new opportunities, or just be surrounded by winners, click subscribe. It's your move. Number 1 is Zoom Class Teacher. If you have a skill, a passion, good with finance, fitness, mindset, coaching, music, anything honestly, then you need to start teaching through Zoom. Build your social media presence. Post tips, tutorials, and advice on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and YouTube Shorts. Once you start growing an audience, you can then sell Zoom classes for $50, $100, even $200 per person per call. Imagine 30 people signing up twice a week. That's $12,000 a month, $48,000 a year or more. You already know something valuable. Start monetizing your knowledge. Even if it's something you don't think that you can start charging money for, trust me, you can, because there's someone out there just like you that wants to learn from people like you that they're into the things that you're into. It could be as small as being some sort of small minute history fanatic on a small town in the middle of nowhere. When people like you and learn from you, they will pay to listen and talk to you live over the topics that you're both interested in. It does take some time to get some people to trust and listen to you, but if you truly stay consistent and keep engaging in the comments and emails, soon you will be able to charge for these calls. Number 2, become a sales call closer. Ever wonder how influencers sell $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 coaching programs? You think they're personally jumping on every single sales call every day, all throughout the day and into the night talking to people? No, they're definitely not. They hire closers, and that could be you. You close deals remotely from your laptop. Most earn about 10% commission. If you close a $7,000 program, then you just made $700 in 30 minutes. Close 3 deals a day, that's $2,100 a day. To get started, do your homework. Reach out to influencers selling courses and masterminds on TikTok, Instagram, or wherever you see these. This is real, and it's waiting for someone willing to take action. If you don't have sales skills, that's okay because of these 2 things. The first good news being that people booking these calls with you are already about 75% invested and ready to buy. They just want to see how legit the call is going to be and get any of their small questions answered. So all you really got to do is get on these calls and read from the PowerPoint presentation that's going to be provided from you from the coach or influencer, listen to the client's story, and answer any questions that they have. And like I said, if you don't have sales experience, there are many great sales advice videos here on YouTube and how to sell in these different formats like on Zoom, all on YouTube, all for free. And my bonus tip is to just practice. Practice with a friend, a sibling, a spouse, so that you get a little bit familiar with the conversation through these remote calls before you even take your first sales call. Number 3, be a content orchestrator. Be the bridge between brands and top editors. You don't have to edit yourself. You're just the middleman. Find businesses or influencers needing TikTok, YouTube videos, or Reels. Build a small team of editors that you can find on Fiverr, Upwork, or my personal favorite, onlinejobs.ph, and manage the whole process. I like onlinejobs.ph because the workers there are nicer, they are from the Philippines, and there is a bit of a time difference there with me being in the United States, but their quality of work for cheaper prices, and they're also way nicer people to work with, check every single box that you're going to need to run an operation in this business model. So an example of this business model is a client needs 10 videos. You charge 5,000 videos, pay your editors 2,000, and you keep 3,000 profit, all without touching a single clip. It may sound a little bit too good to be true, but so many people are making their money off of this. You're not working in this business, you're just running this business. And this style of business does not just have to be the middleman between online videos. You can do this with wholesale brands, selling vehicles and sports tickets and things like that. Number 4, be an appointment setter. Companies, big and small, are flooded with DMs, emails, and messages that they can't keep up with. They need you to handle inbound messages and set up sales appointments. You don't need experience, just reliability, good communication, and consistency. I recommend using free tools like Asana or Trello to personally help you stay organized. You can also use good old pen and paper, but the coach or company hiring you to be the setter will also get you whatever software that you want to use or that they can provide for you. And usually their softwares are pretty good. If you ever wonder how to get clients, this is going to require some outreach. I would personally start by going to small businesses in person if you can and introducing yourself. Then work your way up to the bigger companies and be sure to let them know that you are a freelancer. If you don't, the conversation might get a little bit awkward because they're not going to know if you're wanting a job to be on their payroll or just what the hell you're doing. So let them know that you're a freelancer. Once you get a few clients, set the appointments, make commissions, and watch your income climb. This is especially powerful with high ticket products, meaning bigger commissions, you get bigger checks. Number 5, we have car buyer for wholesale companies. Ever thought about buying cars without using your own money? Wholesale companies need buyers to purchase vehicles on their behalf, and they pay commission per car. One of the biggest wholesalers in California, for example, moves 400 plus cars per month and is actively looking for buyers. Or you can find other wholesalers. They're out there and they need buyers now more than ever and likely are either in your town or the next big city over from you. Use the company's money, earn commission on every car, and you can grow this pretty consistently. To get started, do some research about the business model here on YouTube, and then go to a car dealership in your area and ask if they need more inventory to sell. If they do, ask them what cars, what kind of miles they need, and what stipulations with the vehicles that they need to have in order to get more of these cars out on their lot, and explain that you would like to be a wholesale middleman for them and bring them cars. They will then allow you to go and find and buy cars at wholesale auctions, for example, buying a car for $40,000 with the dealership's money. Then the dealership will turn around and sell that car for $60,000. And that, gives the dealership a $20,000 profit margin, and you can get $2,000 off that as the commission from being the middleman. If you want financial freedom and you want to live on your own terms, you have to get serious. No one is coming to save you. No one's handling your success. You have to bet on yourself. Opportunities aren't going to just knock on your door. You have to open the door, step outside, and go after them. You might not know if you love something until you try it too. I didn't know that I loved making videos, but when I tried, now it's my passion. Try, man. Stop overthinking. Stop waiting. Start doing. I'm sitting here sick. My ears are plugged up. I'm pushing through to deliver this message because I want you to win, man. If I can show up while sick, then you can show up for your future. Let's get it.